You guys, you got Danita Young with Booty Bands and Booty Bands Elite. And today I am bringing you a rant about your goal of trying to get more toned. However, what amount of weight are you lifting? One of the most common mistakes that I am seeing a lot of my members doing is when I have their one-on-one call, I go, how much weight are you lifting if you were trying to get more tighter and toned? And they said, oh, on average, I have about a 2-pound ankle weight and maybe the most 5 pounds in my home that I've been lifting. And I cannot tell you how much that frustrates me more than anything, as I am telling you right here, right now, it is about how much weight you are truly lifting and, of course, what you're eating, right? But my rants on eating are the other ones. But I want you just to bear with me for just a second as I tell you about lifting more weight is not going to make you bulky. I hear it over and over and over and over and over and time again. I just want to express to you, it will not make you bulky. It will definitely get you a more tighter and toned look. And here are the proofs and the reason why. First, by lifting more weight will help boost your metabolism. Boosting your metabolism will also help, so you'll be burning more calories throughout your day. Second, muscle burns more calories at rest than fat does. And so if you're looking at, let's say, a workout that you were lifting weights versus just cardio, you'll be burning way more calories the day or even the next day, and however long that muscle is on your body, you'll still be burning more calories than you ever would have if you were just doing cardio. So it's not about cardio and it's not about your 2-pounders anymore. If it is time for you to step your weight up. If you were going, Danita, I financially can't afford it, weights are really expensive, then the best solution, all right, hear me out, is start looking at garage sales, yard sales. You can go to, like, there's an app called OfferUp. Like, find cheap ways to find weights that you'll be able to, that you'll start lifting more on your muscles. All right. So yeah, girl, I'm telling you, if you want to get tighter and toned, do it. Nice to see you guys. I got Karen and I got Lori on here. What's up? What's up? And I'll see you guys tomorrow on my next rant. But if you'd like to join our free 14-day challenge, go ahead and click the link. And if you would like to join the 30-day challenge, go ahead and click the link Elite. Lots of love. Bye, you guys.